January 1, bumalik kayo sa 5 minutes na lugar from Arlene apartment, niraid nyo yung warehouse doon, January 4.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Kasi wala kaming search warrant doon, Mr. Chair.
Saan?
Sa Agdao warehouse, Mr. Chair, wala kaming warrant eh.
Eh, wala rin kayong warrant sa Arlene eh.
Doon sa Arlene naman, Mr. Chair, kasi sumama naman yung mga tao, Mr. Chair eh.
Hindi yun ang issue eh. Ang issue doon is, did you have a search warrant to that? Are you telling me that you can enter any place? A private place without any warrant of search warrant?
Mr. Chair, hindi ko alam kung ano yung actual na nangyari. Yes, Mr. Chair.
Responsibility. You are not accepting responsibility dahil hindi nyo ma-explain kung nasaan yung 13 na Chinese.